Good morning. I'm again welcome you all for the lecture that I have been started with in my last lecture, that is a lecture on internet frauds. Okay, we have covered what is an internet fraud, and we have covered three types of internet fraud, that is email phishing, the Nigerian scam, and the greeting card scam. Now today I will be covering the next, that is the bank loan or credit card scam. Nowadays this type of scam is very common, that generally the frauds person call individual and said that ma'am or sir, you have been selected for the from the bank for the loan of amount, any of the amount like 10 lakh, 20 lakh, okay, 5 lakhs, and you just need to do a registration process, and which is the just uh, a small amount, and you will just give us that amount, and then the rupees 5 lakh or 10 lakh, whatever the loan amount is, it will be in your account. And usually people come under the thing that oh, they are getting the loan without any kind of uh, verification and all, and people will say okay, okay, fine, fine. Some people say, some may not. Okay, so if you they just provide you a link and just say, okay sir, just do the registration on this, the small amount, 10,000, 20,000, whatever the amount, generally they say the 10% of the total amount. Okay, so this kind of offer, if anybody gets, then it is very important for that particular individual to just verify it from the bank, or go physically to the bank and verify that that you are giving me this offer or not. Same as for the credit card also, they we are offering a credit card of with the limit of this much amount, you need to do a just a registration or the processing fees and xyz. So they used to trick you so that you can give, or that particular person talks in such a manner that you get tricked, you will come into their influence that yeah, this is from an authorized person and I will just give you that much amount. So please be cautious and don't come into the such type of acts or under such type of talks. Okay, so this is the bank loan credit card scam. Then you have a lottery scam, same. Another classic internet scam which doesn't seem to get old. A lottery scams come as an email message informing you that you won a huge amount of money. In order to claim your prize of winning, you need to pay some small fees. Yeah, actually I also got this type of a mail, that I have got a mail like you have won a lottery of 10 lakh rupees from xyz, I'm not giving the name, and you need to just to claim your prize, you need to give this much amount, and they have also provided me a link on which I have to just click on it, and they will. And now if I will click on that particular mail, there is this malicious software will come in my system and steal my data, and they can provide any kind of fraud with my system. Okay, so this type of messages should be avoided. We should not click on any kind of these messages. Usually they design a message in such a way that it's look very tempting, it look like wow, the way they write, the way they represent to you, it looks very exciting. Wow, how can I get there? And we usually think, wow, I get a lottery of 10 lakh. Okay, I just need to pay only 22,000. Okay, fine, fine, I will do that. So this is also kind of a scam which is very common nowadays. So not click on any of such type of messages. Okay, next is the hitman scam. One of the most frequent internet scam you can meet online is a hitman extortion attempt. Cyber criminal will send you an email threatening to extort money from you. Okay, suppose the person is having a watch on you, he or she, that fraud or the scammer just watch each and every activities of yours what you are doing online, and they used to extort you, or they will just give you threatening messages like we will kidnap your family person or your child, your wife, your parents, and extort you. This kind of a scam is very dangerous to create the they create they give you a sense like they are very dangerous, or they are from a having a criminal record, and this type of scam should be avoided so that you cannot come into their influence, which is, this is a very common in social networking also. That particular person will have a watch on you while you're using any kind of social networking websites, or when you are they have a watch on your each and every of your online activities. So but they send you a message personally, or for the extortion and for the money. This is hitman scheme. This is online dating scam. This is also a very important scam which is being now which is very common nowadays. The people will get the messages like on dating apps will be there are various dating apps. You This is very common among the youngsters. They usually send messages on dating apps and plan to meet to someone, like blind dates. This type of concepts are there. You don't know to whom you are meeting, you don't know the person, you don't know he belongs to which family, which society. So not to trust on anyone without having the knowledge about that particular person. If you meet them, that particular person will emotionally or psychology method, they use the psychological methods and used to uh, do any kind of scam with you, used to do any kind of fraud with you. And they just used to tell you that something bad happened with them, and emotionally they will just threaten you emotionally as well. So please do not trust on any kind of this message that you will get. Next we have the fake antivirus scam. This is a scam which is very common, like many of the scammers, they say that we have a antivirus copy which is legitimate copy, which is authorized copy, okay, or you can buy from us with discount price also. So they are pirated software version. Do not trust on that. You, if you used to have want to have any of the antivirus software, please buy it from an official website and from the official vendor, okay. Not to trust on any of the unknown person, unknown vendors, um, on unofficial websites, okay, because that particular software may have the Trojan, the keyloggers. If that enters your system, then it is very dangerous for your system. It is a dangerous ransomware threatens around. Like there is a crypto locker which is capable of blocking and encrypting your operating system and requesting you a sum of money in exchange for a decryption key. The ransomware is a very dangerous kind of a virus. So it is requested to, please, if you want to buy any particular antivirus software, then please buy it from an official website and from an official vendor, not from anyone else. Next we have the make money fast scam. This is the economic scam also. Like CPK will lure you into believing you can make money easy and fast on the internet. Like if you give me 10,000 today, I will get you around 50,000 in next 2 months, okay. This kind of a scam is very common. It used to take the money from the people and then just gone, okay. So in with they usually target the person with, they find that yeah, they need money. If I ask them for 10,000 and I'll tell them I will get 50,000 in 2 months, they usually give that money. So also there is a, this type of scam has happened for the job offers also. Like many companies has done this in the past. Like they have selected many students, and then the students have joined, but they put in a like you have to give me 75,000 rupees as an token amount, as an fixed what we call it as a, I'm not getting the word right now, as a amount that security amount, yeah, security deposit, yeah, as a security deposit, that whenever that you have to be with us for the 2 years, and after 2 years you, when you if you want to left our company, we will return back that 75,000 to you. This type of scam has already been done in our country n number of times. So it is very important to not to come on the talks on these messages. So beware, and like don't believe any kind of a person like this. So these are the few scams which we have discussed till late. I have started with that we have covered if you see this, how much of a scam we have covered. That number one is email phishing, number two is Nigerian scam, number three is greeting card scam, Number 4, bank loan and credit card scam. Number 5, lottery scam. Number 6, hitman scam. Number 7, online dating scam. Number 8, fake antivirus scam. Number 9, make money fast scam. So these are the few types of scam that we have covered till date. In the next lecture, I will covering the next remaining types of internet frauds. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.